In this episode, we're checking out the port area of Taino Bay and a walk to San Filipe Fort in Puerto Plata in the Dominican Republic during May of 2026. And as you can see, there are some unique cars located here in the Dominican Republic. I'm JD, and along with my wife Chris, we are the Casual Cruisers. On this channel, we'll bring you ship tours, port tours, and information on excursions and other activities. We hope you find our channel enjoyable and informative. If you do, please click the like button and consider subscribing. Now, let's cast off on the next adventure with the Casual Cruisers. Here's a quick look at the pier walk from the ship to the entry to Taino Bay. There are tuk-tuk rides from the ship to the entrance to Taino Bay and back. And this is the entry to the Taino Bay port area. You'll see the sign as you approach, and then you enter through the duty-free shop area. Here's a map of Taino Bay, and there are several located throughout the port shopping and activities area. If this video is helpful or informative, please click the like button and subscribe to help us reach a broader cruising audience. As you can see, there are many shops, restaurants, and activities available throughout the whole area. There is a large pool which is free for everyone to use. Here's a view from the far end of the pool. Here you get the first of several looks at the lazy river in Taino Bay. This is the far end of the port area, and there you see the exit that you walk past the taxi stand areas and out into the local town. And here is the exit out of the area into town. You'll see some local taxi vendors, but they generally won't bother you once you say no thank you. To get to the fort, turn left at that cross street, just follow down this path, and then you'll see a very small walkway alongside the road. When you get to the end of the street, you'll turn left where you see the Puerto Plata sculpture. After you pass the amphitheater, you'll see this statue of the fourth founding father of the Dominican Republic. Here are several views of Fort San Filipe. There are also some vendors selling souvenirs in this area. Here's a view of the amphitheater from on top of the hill. And here's another look at the local area as we walk back towards the port. Coming back into Taino Bay, you get a look at many of the shops and bars on the way back to the ship. Some shops have 2 or more locations and some have a single location. And for those folks who are interested in bird watching, there is an aviary here in Taino Bay. You'll see it here on the right. As we head back to the ship, we thank you for watching our video. If you found it helpful or informative, please click the like button and consider subscribing. And as always, bon voyage until the next adventure with the Casual Cruisers.